Hi, welcome back to IndLangs, learn Indian languages, and we are learning Read Write Kannada series. So in this video, we shall learn how to write G and then Gha, the smaller version of the G and then bigger version of the Gha. So basically, for smaller version and the bigger versions, we have particular, we have name. So that name I'll explain that. One is Alpa Prana and another one is a Mahaprana. So that I'll explain it later. Okay. So now how to write G in Kannada. So G is very simple. You know how to write U in English. Capital U. You have to make it a little bit curved version. But the only thing is you have to inverse the U. Okay. So you have to inverse the U. Okay, and then attach a kombu. So attach a kombu to it. So this is called as G in Kannada. Remember, this is a Alpa Prana, means you need not have to spend so much of energy to pronounce it. It is a G, simple G. So how do you represent it in English? Let us represent it as G. So I'll write it once again. So here we will practice G. Ulta U and then kombu. Ulta U and then kombu. Ulta U and then kombu. So this is how you have to practice. G. Next is what? The bigger version. Bigger version is what? Gha. Okay. And this is most, in Kannada, it is the one of the letter where it is most decorated one. Okay. Where you will find almost all the symbols, not symbols basically, the different versions in this particular letter. So let's learn how to write Gha. First you can observe here. First you have to write a W here in the bottom. So basically I usually tell write a W and write a 3 and then join them. So here write a W, so you have to make it a curve here and then write a 3. Okay, 3 should be a part of it. You have to join this, write a W and then write a 3, and then here you have to write a small circle, and then that small circle should have you should attach a kombu. Okay, and then you have to write a line here. So you have to do all these things. So that is why I told it is the most decorated letter in Kannada. Okay. So how to write G? So do like this and then do like this and then a small circle and then a kombu and then a line in the bottom. So from now onwards, you will get, for most of the Mahapranas, you will get a line in the bottom. Okay. So this is called as G, and let me represent it as GHA. This G is called as GHA in English. Let us represent it as GHA. But one thing here, in most of the time when I take a class, so people what they do is usually, when I ask them to write G, so they write like this. This is perfectly fine, and they do a line also. And the upper part, a small circle and the combo, this portion, they will attach here. Okay, hello. It's not like, this base part should be in Earth and, this is in the Mars. You should not have this much of distance here. Okay. And then some people will write like this, inside this. Why don't write here. You write it properly here. Okay. So this is how you have to write. Don't make too much of a distance, or don't put it inside the base letter. You're getting my point? So this is G, and this is most decorated letter in Kannada. And one more part I have to mention here, since we are introducing drawing a line in the base part. So this base part now it is introduced in most of the Mahapranas, G, and we call it as a line, and we have a particular adjective for this. In south part of Karnataka, they say it as hotte seedodu. Okay, hotte seedodu matlab you have to draw a line, you have to break your stomach, something like that. Atara barutte. Those who know Kannada in your home, you can just ask them, or you can ask your colleagues. So what is called as hotte seedodu. So in all the Kannada primary school, they write like this. Whereas in north part of Karnataka, I will not say it. You just ask somebody what they say it. Okay, and you will enjoy. You are going to enjoy that in north part of Karnataka, what they say for this particular portion when they have to draw the line. Okay. So that is an enjoyable moment. See, for every learning, we should make it as enjoyable. Otherwise, you will not remember it. So now I'm sure that even if you forget all the letters in Kannada, you will definitely remember G, because I told you this is the most decorated letter. And then this is the most, you have everything, a small circle, a kombu, a 3 and the W and the line. And then what is that line is called as, that also I have explained. Hope you enjoyed G and Gha in Kannada. Okay, then we'll continue our journey in next video. Okay, thank you. If you are interested to learn spoken Kannada, then I have written 3 books. Okay, so the first book is Spoken Kannada Level 1, where you will learn, it's a beginner level book, where you will learn the most frequently used, day-to-day used Kannada words. The second book is Spoken Kannada Level 2. It's an intermediary level book where you will learn how to frame sentences using the words that you have already learned in Spoken Kannada Level 1 book. Okay. And the third book is Spoken Kannada Level 3 and 4, which is an advanced level book where you will learn more about verbs, tenses, and then verb rules. So these are the 3 books that I have written for the spoken Kannada, and if you are interested to learn spoken Kannada, I am sure these 3 books will definitely help you to learn spoken Kannada. Thank you.